Frustrated by the Registry Editor Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. To start our troubleshooting for Registry Editor Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Registry Editor Library. This library contains the core UI rendering logic and localized resource manifests for the Windows Registry Editor, regedit.exe. It manages the tree view and data editing dialogs. If missing or corrupted, the regedit.exe utility will fail to launch or will display an empty window, preventing users from making necessary system-level configuration changes. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as Registry Editor Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Registry Editor Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Remember that manual replacement of Registry Editor Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Registry Editor Library references. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Registry Editor Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.